In Microsoft's Chromium version of Microsoft Edge, we have several ways that we can zoom in and out of our web pages in case we want to see something larger or smaller. So if we click on the three dots at the top, you can see there's a zoom option right here. So if we want, we can click the plus, and it makes it bigger or smaller. We also have this option here where it says full screen, which will take away all of our menus at the top. Now, if you want to get that back again so you can change web pages, just click F11 and it brings it right back. There's another way that we can do this as well. If we go down to where it says settings, we have a little bit more granular control when it comes to this. We're going to click on the appearance button on the left-hand side, and we see the zoom option. So it's at 100% right now. So we can scroll down and choose any one of these increments, and it will make that go larger or smaller. I'm going to choose the 50%, make it really small. I'll go back to Google here. We say, whoa, that is really small. So if I want to change my mind on that, all I got to do is click the plus, and we're back to 100%. And I can do the same thing with settings. So you can see it's set individually on each tab, which is really nice because in older versions of Edge, if you did it on one tab, it did it on all the different tabs. And that may not be what you want. The third way to do this is something that you can't see me do, and that is you can hold down the control button and use the wheel on your mouse, and then that will zoom it in and out and make it larger or smaller. So any one of those three ways will get you to zoom in on a tab in Microsoft's Chromium-based Web Edge browser.